Yes, uthini ungubani ibizo lakho?
Hi Ezra, I'm Tariro Magela.
Yebo Tariro, unjani Tariro?
Ngiyaphila, unjani wena?
Wesaba iCOVID ngiyibona ugqokile ufihlile la.
Ngiyayisaba. These days it seems like it's everywhere, so it's safer. It's better to be safe than to be sorry.
So lapho wenzani wena empilweni Tariro, ngihlangana lawe la?
I run my own home-based business.
Yenza le business yakho?
My primary source of income is cakes. I bake.
Uyabheka ama-cake?
Yes.
Khuluma kuhle abantu abanye bayashadisa labatshele nje bomama labo baba labo bhuti labo sisabalale emhlabeni wonke. La nxa kule COVID konje mina ngiyabheka ama-cake ngihambisela ihlobo zenu akubatshele.
Bomama labo baba labakhulayo abakhangelela ukushada.
Ama-birthday yonke into.
Yes, ama-birthday ngiyayenza ama-cakes for birthdays, for weddings, for lobola, even just to indulge and to spoil yourself. So I also have a shop which I...
shop la?
Yes.
Inga?
Autoquip building, corner 5th Street and 12th Avenue.
Okay. So wena ukhanya semncane kangaka lokho okuplana njani kwavela njani ukuthi wezinto ezihle kahle?
I must say for me it happened by coincidence.
Yeah.
I'm an electronic engineer by profession.
How?
But ngangi baker just for eating, for my friends. I didn't know I was actually grooming a
So what degree lo yenza wathi ngcono ngihle ukubheka ama-cake?
Yes.
So abantu abachadayo ngabo ukuxhumana la ula Facebook?
Yes.
Laba thina siku-VOA Voice of America website esindebeleni. So uthini ebantwini labo ukuthi baku-check ngabe bona?
Liyangikhangela ku Instagram. I'm there as Purple Eco. That's our company name. On Facebook as well, we're there as Purple Eco. And then our contact number for our work line is 0771 809 110.
Okay. But you Purple
Eco.
Aha, Purple Eco. Aha.
Yes.
Baphika ama-cake sizake sithestele ikheke lakho. So nanka ama-messages akho ke uthini ebantwini ngale umkhuhlane we-COVID bazivikele njani?
Mina ngithi let's just mask up, let's limit movements. Only move when it is necessary. And also as young business people, umkhuhlane we-COVID lo ulethe a lot of unexpected events. So I say as young businesses, try and think of ways that you can improvise to make your business survive. Even if it means maybe taking your business online, if you're at the shop, something like that.
Yeah.
Think of ways to survive during this era.
Yeah. Dubeke bonke laba online athapukele abambe basupport usisinyana ibhizinisi yakhe. Siyathaba ubona abantwana abasakhula benze amabhizinisi yabo ngama.
All right.